Hey, are you looking for the best budget drone from Aliexpress? I have fixed the top 5 best Aliexpress drones for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. And at number 5, the drone is ZXC S162.5G GPS drone. Recently, this drone price is $82.99. This drone has high-resolution 4K picture-taking capabilities. It involves optical flow sensor technology, which boosts images at higher quality. It uses optical flow technology with a downward sensor to hold the quad, that is hovering without the need for you to put the finger on the throttle. As a function, it can be helpful when combined with altitude keep. Optical flow can significantly improve piloting and selfie-taking capabilities. The aircraft is outfitted with flight path guidance systems. The drone follows the search course, detours, then rethinks its route in a separate instance as it has more information to go on hand. Even to make it more difficult for a target to avoid, the drone may deliberately decelerate to their ultimate endpoint of travel to guarantee their protection. In comparison to a regular motor flywheel, which is freely rotating in the orientation that you like, the gravity induction motor helps you to do these three things. Moving it forward, going backward, and left to right, in which you keep your smartphone. It uses 1.5-volt, AAA battery. This model is a light gray colored one with stunning finishing. The one-key return feature enables you never to lose your drone again. It implements a one-key return feature, so you don't have to worry about losing the drone by misplacing the key. Wherever you fly, press the return button, and it will head back to you directly. And at number 4, the drone is Kai 15G GPS drone. Already this drone price is $152.98. The Kai 1 drone is a fantastic light drone with astonishing image quality and new features. It is easy to use and designs in advance. The drone offers real-life picture quality and highly detailed images at a resolution of 25 frames per second. It has a 3-axis gimbal sensor and an 1806 brushless engine for stability. The frequency of the controller is 2.4 Hz. It runs on a 7.4-volt, 2200 mAh high-power intelligent battery. Period is 24 minutes. A completely charged battery should be able to fly for at least 2 hours. GPS-assisted flight offers you location information for the drone. The RTH feature makes traveling a lot less scary. When the battery gets low or the drone can eventually return to base. Brushless motors provide flight and extend the operational life of the drone. It will accompany you with the highest performance models. It has a GPS position accuracy of 50 meters. As a metronome, start the device by clicking on the chart 3 times. The distance and longitude will be seen on the diagram. Take the smartphone with you and draw a flight map, and the quadcopter can become your pilot's plane. The orbit mode allows for panoramic photographs and videos to be taken. It would revolutionize the style of capturing beauty photography as we know it. Panoramic views can be recorded in the FOV enjoyable video in real-time 5G Wi-Fi transmission. For beginners, it is quick to hold the height, take off and land. One button does the job. Wherever you are, the drone will have you in its sights. Simple to bring, perfect for picture-taking, hands-free flight. And at number 3, the best drone is Diva 4K GPS drone. Already, this drone price is $422.94. This multi-axis drone can provide the best image quality possible on Earth for any drone. It's full of the latest features and has sophisticated control functions. Diva is able to shoot a range of panoramic video shots that makes for imaginative and attractive panoramas, full of wit. Geofencing is part of the smartphone mapping application, which lets you draw a flight trajectory on the map. The map modes may be changed on demand to show a real-time view of the aircraft's location and movement. This functionality automatically creates nice images that make your photos look like professional photographs. The selectable modalities include Circle, Follow Me, Drone, Helix. These modes offer you the advantage of getting yourself involved with the sport of flight and recording the videos right away. Diva's 2-axis gimbal and smooth V-as stabilization feature work together to significantly reduce jitter in the video footage, and allow for a higher degree of stability when recording cinematic footage. For the highest picture quality, in 4K HD lens with 1200-watt LED ring flash because it has the potential to capture more details and produce precise color. Frame rates range from 30 to 60 FPS for 1080 pixel. 1 complete second live sharing on social networking sites can be achieved in a panoramic view at 80 degrees. This model's flight period with a 2250 mAh 3S LiPo battery is up to 30 minutes. In at second place, the drone is TC Cicada's S6 new RC drone. Now, this drone price is $788. S6 is the world's thinnest 4K aircraft, and also the newest in terms of any of the drone hardware. It has an embedded camera and intense software. What we have been able to establish is that S6 is the most potent of all pocket drone versions. It is really small and light and foldable. This device can be easily slipped into a pocket. I do just as well, except in a totally different way. It can do things that a cell phone cannot do. The drone features a 13-megapixel camera with 3 different image stabilization options like panning, time-lapse, and stop motion, as well as several other special settings, including setting and autofocus, position, and flight. You can create great slow-motion videos as well as high-speed videos at 1080 pixel resolution. It has a wide-equipped 360-degree panoramic HD cam with a 4-megapixel recording. You will talk in all directions in complete privacy by using an omnidirectional headset. Since it automatically changes direction based on the way you are facing and how you are positioned inside the pilot's vision, enabling you to have conversations with other parties without giving up control of the base station. As an advantage of accurate GPS, you can remotely fly the quadcopter through the virtual lever via the application. You have access to Flight Simulator, so you can learn to operate the craft. The copter in the app allows you to refine your skills via the simulation. It is a handy feature, as you can expand the files, trim images, and add subtitles as well as personalize them, and upload them through cloud, as well. The voice control and Wi-Fi link feature of Google now allows the app to perform functions similar to voice recognition and internet recognition. And at number 1, the best drone is Vitis 5G Wi-Fi drone. Recently, this drone price is $1,156.35. It is a more sophisticated folding RC vehicle and an AR platform for pilots in the sky as well. It has a decent expandable volume and great picture quality. It is capable of capturing 4K 3840 by 2160 pixel HD or 30 FPS footage without the flight hazard, and high-quality images are 2 of the integrated camera's abilities. It is equipped with GPS and infrared sensor technology to perform efficient hovering under challenging environments. Usage of GPS and GLONASS dual-based positioning and navigation results in flight can have a more detailed and reliable flight. The range is approximately 50 meters. The drone is commonly employed to maintain higher standards of strategic and operational objectives but without lowering accessibility. With optical flow detection and infrared avoidance, it is able to square off against even the most tricky of goals. Accurate alignment is feasible, as well as pathfinding when maneuvering around barriers is achieved automatically. It includes a wireless microphone technology that allows a maximum wireless communication gap of more than traditional 3G and signal strength. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.